DJ's Prestige Sports. We've just acquired this lovely Mercedes C-Class AMG Sport in absolutely stunning condition for its age and mileage. It's got the front park distance control, the upgraded alloy wheels, all running on Continental tyres. Very comprehensive service history. It's got the rear spoiler, rear camera, reverse parking sensors as well. Absolutely gleaming black, stunning condition throughout. Boot area is in lovely condition. Rear seats do fold down if you want. It's got the lovely AMG Sport half leather Alcantara trim with the blue and white stitch piping. Seats are in lovely condition. Got electric windows, electric mirrors, auto headlamps, paddle shift on the gearbox, cruise control, satellite navigation. It's done 87,068 miles. As I say, it's got satellite navigation, reverse camera, 3-stage heated seats, Bluetooth for music and telephone, DAB radio. This car has it all: climate control, multifunction steering wheel. At DJH, we're full dealer facilities including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call 07503 751 005. Thank you.